Glyco Ultra is marketed as a blood sugar support supplement that supposedly regulates glucose levels, improves insulin sensitivity, and supports weight loss. But the real question is, does it actually regulate blood sugar, or is it another supplement making exaggerated health claims? Now, to be fair, some ingredients commonly found in blood sugar supplements, like berberine, cinnamon, bitter melon, and chromium, do have limited research suggesting they may mildly support glucose metabolism in some people. What it does well: contains ingredients linked to blood sugar support. Glyco Ultra includes ingredients such as berberine, white mulberry leaf, and cinnamon bark, which are often studied for possible effects on insulin sensitivity and glucose regulation. May help some users improve dietary consistency. People taking supplements like this sometimes become more disciplined with diet, hydration, and exercise at the same time, which can indirectly improve blood sugar control. Where it falls short: not proven to treat or reverse diabetes. This is the biggest issue. There is no strong clinical evidence proving Glyco Ultra itself can treat, cure, or reverse diabetes. Marketing claims appear heavily exaggerated. Some promotional pages make dramatic claims about reversing diabetes, fixing insulin resistance, or rapidly normalizing blood sugar, which are not backed by strong published clinical trials. No strong evidence for the finished product itself. Even if some individual ingredients show promise, that does not prove the actual Glyco Ultra formula works as advertised. Supplement blends are rarely tested in large, high-quality human studies. So, does Glyco Ultra actually regulate blood sugar? Short answer: maybe mildly for some people, but not in the dramatic way the marketing suggests. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.